Pokemonversation. This is Pokemonversation, the talk show where me and my partner Oshawott try to interview other Pokemon. Today we are interviewing Mareep. Hi Mareep, how's it going?
Beep, beep, I'm Mareep.
Wasn't Alolan Muck gonna be here? He was too busy being gay.
Beep, beep, I'm a Mareep.
I don't feel like asking Mareep any questions. I want to sing a funny song. No, Oshawott, no! Soon. Beep, 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 I'm a Mareep. Am I the only one who doesn't get this? Stop this at once.
Beep, beep,
beep, beep, I'm a Mareep. Seriously?
Beep,
beep, beep, I'm a Mareep. Who let the normal sheep onto the show? This is insane. And one of them's wearing sunglasses and another's wearing a hat. You really haven't heard of Ask the Movie 10? Huh?
Beep, beep.
Vote for who should be interviewed next. Cumchew, Coughing, Sandshrew, Loudred, Hoppip. Vote any one of them, or maybe even two. I don't care. Just vote. Vote. The show needs votes. Come on. Come on. Just vote. Vote for this guy.